Hello everyone, good evening to all and welcome to the session. Welcome to the pantechelearning. Good evening. Sujana Kokra, hi, and Banuraja ma'am, hi ma'am, hello. Kajal Kumari, hi. Tony Walker, Danushal Yadav, hi. Yuvasri, hi, and Vishnuvardhan, hi, hello, welcome to all, welcome to this session. Manikanta, and hi. Pushparad, hi, and Kaliswaran, hi. Vaibhav, hello. Hemant Kumar, and hello, hi. And Reshma, hi, Reshma, and Anshu Yadav, hi, hello, welcome to this session. Good evening, football tactics, good evening. Bhaskar, hi, Gogulnath, hi, and Go Crazy, hello, hi, Pavitra Nilavalagan, hi. Thank you, Tashiba, hi, good, thank you for this. Good evening to all, hello. Okay, so once again, good evening to all. So welcome to the pantechelearning. This is Sankar Ganesh from Pantech. I am your mentor for this particular Power BI Masterclass. Okay, so this is the new topic and new era. So in this full masterclass session, we will discuss about Power BI tool. So what is Power BI? What is the need of this Power BI? And how can we work with Power BI? These kind of things we will repeatedly see in this particular masterclass. So once again, good evening to all and welcome to the session. So first, we will introduce with ourselves. So our company name is pantechelearning. We started with this company at 2004. We have 20 plus years experience in this education platforms and also education fields. So what is our main vision? Help 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge in the easy way. That is our main motto and also main vision also. Okay. So what kind of courses we have? Okay, so what kind of courses we have? First we will see about this, then we can entering into the topic. Okay. So first thing, Python programming, advanced Python programming, Python full stack, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, Java programming, Java full stack, React.js, web development full stack, embedded systems, IoT using Raspberry Pi, and also computer vision OpenCV, image processing using MATLAB, and artificial intelligence using MATLAB Simulink, EV design using MATLAB, renewable energy design. So these are all topics, these kind of courses we have. Okay, so this is our overall overview that, and also this kind of courses we have available in our company. So anyone interested, kindly contact with our coordinator. So I will show the contact number and contact details in the end of this session. Like till this, why starting, you can asking about the attendance. In end of the session, you can post the attendance link. You will give it to our attendance. Okay. Okay. So this is our overall. So next, we are entering into the topic. Okay. So first thing, data analytics. So our class name is a Power BI. So why we can learn about this data analytics? In that particular Power BI tool comes under in this data analytics concept, right? So already like any computer science students or computer field or like IT field people, anyone is there, you know about that, right? So others kindly know that Power BI comes under the data analytics concept. Okay, so then only we can short termly we can understanding the data analytics. So what is data analytics and what is the procedure, what is the need of this data analytics, these kind of things shortly we can learn. Then we can move on to entering our major concept of Power BI. Okay. So first thing, data analytics is using for pre-processing, analyzing, and also visualizing. This is three concept is major in data analytics. Data analysis is a process of finding insights from the information. Okay. So yeah. So generally, like any kind of things in the current trending world, without data we cannot move on, right? We cannot work because the technology will be improved day by day. So the data's need is very essential for in current world, right? So without data we cannot using our mobile phone, our system, our TV, and also laptop. In any kind of technical machine is not working. There is no work for that, right? So most of the IT companies working with the data. Without data, the IT companies no work for this, right? So then when the data is important, that particular important data we can visual. That is data analytics concept. We can visualize the data. That is the data analytics concept. Okay. So for then I will show the just method of this data analytics concept. Okay. First thing, we can take the data, that is raw data, messy data, and unstructured data, right? So this kind of format we can take the data. So we cannot expect that. Okay, we cannot expect that the data is formatted and also structure format and cleaned data. We cannot expect that, right? So we get the data in any kind of data we can get. So we can convert the data into the proper format. So that is our data analytics major work. Okay. So next one is the information. So the information means we have to clean and structure the data. So that is information. Finally, we can find out the insights of this particular data. Okay. First thing, we can collect the data. Then we can manipulate and clean and structurize the data. Then we can find out the insights of this particular data. Okay, so this is the data analytics concept. Okay. So next one, life cycle of this particular data analytics. So first, we can identify the data, then we can collect the data, and next one is a pre-processing and cleaning the data. Finally, we can analyze how we can visualize the data. We can analyzing the concept, then we can interpret. Interpret means we can find out the insights from the data. Okay, so this is the life cycle of our data analytics concept. Okay. So who is data analyst? What is the major role of this particular data analyst? So data analyst is a professional who wants to work on collecting, processing, and also analyzing the large data set. That is major work of one of the data analyst role. Okay. So major work, we can collecting the data and processing and analyzing. What is the information present in our data? We can visual that. That is the major work of data analyst. Then we can handling the data and modeling and data reporting. These three kind of procedure repeated work is having that particular data analyst people. Okay. So next one, what is the outline of our course? Not like only Power BI. So generally the data analytics outline is pivot table formatting, sorting, filtering and grouping, calculated field and values, pivot chart, and case studies. So this kind of outline comes from the Excel format. So in this particular masterclass, we will learn about what is Power BI, what is the need of the Power BI, and how we can use the Power BI. Same like that, the Excel also including in this particular Power BI masterclass. Why? Because Excel is a basic of that all kind of visualization tools. Okay. So first thing, pivot tables. So pivot table is one of the structured format data file. So we can structuring the source data and we can navigating the field of list and creating and manipulating that in our data tables. So next one, pivot table formatting. So conditioning format values and applying the default and custom styles and layouts of this particular table. And sorting and filtering is to sort out the data and compressing our data and we can remove the unwanted labels or unwanted values and grouping the values. Okay, so this is the sorting and filtering of the particular concept. Second one is a calculated field and values. So creating the calculated field and items, summarizing the value and applying the calculation, compressing the calculated values. Next one is pivot chart. So pivot chart is a building pivot chart and adding slicer and timelines and creating the dynamic dashboards. Finally, we can using the real-time case studies to work with this particular pivot table and also to create the pivot chart. So that for some kind of examples are showing in this place: IMDb movies and bureau rating, shark attacks and San Francisco alarms and also baseball match. So these kind of particular case studies using with our pivot table and also pivot charts. This is overall the outline, same like as Excel and also Power BI. Okay. So next one, introduction to Power BI. So what is Power BI? So already I told that Power BI is the business intelligence. BI is business power, business intelligence. This is the full name of our Power BI tool. So this major work, so major work is Power BI, business analysis service provided by Microsoft that lets you visualizing your data and share your insights. So the if you easy to understand sponsor of the Power BI is the Microsoft company. The Power BI comes from the Microsoft and it converts the data into interactive mode and useful insights to visualizing the data. And it also allows you to view, analyze, visualize and a huge quantity of data that cannot open in Excel. So the Excel is a base. Already I told this. Excel is a base to the Power BI, but we cannot accessing the large and also big amount of data using with this Excel. So that only we can prefer this particular visualization tools, that is Power BI tool. The Power BI is one of the trending tool in our data analytics field. Okay. Then Power BI allows you to get insight from the data and turn the insights into the actions into the data driven business decision. So mostly the business peoples or accounts peoples, presenters also mostly using this kind of visualization tools. Why? Because they are need to easily represent his information, right? So most commonly the human mind, based on the human minds, we can easily understand that particular picture concept. Comparing to text or numbers, values, comparing with these pictures, we can easily understanding the picturized concept. Then only we can prefer that particular dashboards. So we can say it our information in this picture wise or plotting wise or graph wise. This kind of picture format we can visualizing our information that is easy to reach with our opponent people or our target people. Okay, so then only we can learn about in this Power BI tool and also visualization concept. Okay, so this is the major motto of this particular Power BI Masterclass. Okay, so next one, architecture of Power BI. Okay, so what is the architecture? So first thing, we have two kind of sources. One is a data source, another one is a Power BI desktop. Okay. So first thing, data source is the particular Power BI tool is accepting all kind of data. Not only Excel data only we can accept, and also text values only we can accept. Not like that. So the Power BI will be accepting all kind of data values, data sources, like Excel text format and also JSON file format and what is that? Next, SQL file format. In lots of online PDF file format also accepting in this particular Power BI tool. So we can entering into the concept of the Power BI. I will show you. So what are the sources is there? How can we access the sources? These kind of things I will tell you later in our particular Power BI concept. Okay, so today is an introduction class. Just told you how can we what are all the data sources available. Okay, so next one, Power BI desktop. Okay, wait a second. Sudha said will you give a hands-on training? Yeah, definitely we can give. We will show that how can we work and how can we accessing the data. This kind of procedure we will show that. So if you have possible, you can try with this your system. If you have a system or a laptop, you can try and follow with us. You can work with the hands-on training. Okay, so then web file, like that. So web file also we can use. Okay, so then so the Power BI desktop is available in the application. Desktop application also is available, and the online service is also available. Okay, so now the online service is having one of these small issue. So what is the issue of that? Means we cannot upload the data file. So there is some issues. So we will try to sort out that particular issue. Then I will show you how can we work with this online service. Okay. So before that, we will fully learn about desktop application. How can we install the desktop application and how we can use that. These kind of things I will first told you. Once I will sort out that particular online service problem, then I will show you the online service portal. Okay. So we have two options. One is the desktop application, another one is an online application. Okay. So the viewpoint is different. So we have two kind of view. So two type of view is available. One is a mobile view, another one is a desktop view. Okay. In this mobile view, just we will see that particular output. Okay. But we cannot work with that. Okay, just mobile view means we are all show, like we are all see that particular plotting. Okay, this is the details present in this particular plot. Okay, we can change that. If you want to change the particular plottings or particular data, we cannot change in mobile view. Mobile view is just to see that particular output. We cannot work with that. So desktop view only accepting the view and also work with the data. Okay. So generally you will prefer, if you work with this Power BI tool, definitely you want a computer or laptop. Definitely if you want this, then only you can you can work with that. Okay. So this is the architecture of our Power BI portal. First we can collect the data source, then we can work with the gateway of particular Power BI. Then we can see that in mobile view and also desktop view. Okay. So next one is the Power BI components. So what are the components of Power BI? There are 5 kind of components is there. First one is the desktop. Next one is the service, like online service. Third one is the mobile. Fourth one is the embedded. Fifth one is the gateway. First is the desktop. We have free desktop applications for Windows that allows users to create and publish the reports and the models. The Power BI is work with an online sharing and an online collaboration. Now only I will say to you. And Power BI mobile application also there. There is iPhones also have, and Android users also using with that particular application. But we can see only, we cannot explore and we cannot work with mobile phone in Power BI. Okay. So next one, embedded. So a service embedded allows to developer to embed Power BI reports and dashboard into their own web applications. And gateway is using to transfer the files into the cloud. That is the gateway of that. Okay. So these are all the components of desktop service. Power BI desktop, online service, mobile, and also embedded and gateway. So next one is versions. So Power BI also same like that in our social media applications. How the social media is having some kind of filters is having free filters. So some kind of filters is having a premium. So how the YouTube is also there. So the YouTube is very familiar. We are all using the YouTube application, right? So that YouTube is also having some kind of resolutions like that, the qualities, right, pixel values. If you want a HD format, we can update that particular video in convert into the 1080 pixel. So some kind of videos is not supporting for that 1080 pixel because he's asking that is asking to the premium version. Once we can give it to the premium, then only the particular pixel value will unlocked. Otherwise we cannot access that particular pixel value. So same like that, Power BI also we have some free versions also, so like free tools also is available, and then pro and premium plotting is also available. So in that particular free version is available into the individual use. Just we can, for our practice session, we can use the free is enough for that. It includes the basic features like creating reports dashboard, and also unlimited sharing capabilities also available in free version. So the Power BI Pro is having a paid version. It also using for collaboration and sharing, which includes the additional feature to ability to share the content with collaborate with others. So the free is we cannot sharing the one or more than one or two peoples. But if you updated into the pro version, you can share your like data, sharing your working notes. You can share it with your friend also in your colleague. And premium version is more advanced with this free and pro. A more advanced version is the premium and designed for larger organizations, offering dedicated to the cloud resources also are available. The performance and data models also having like available in advanced type like 3D format. The particular premium version is available. Okay. So still we see that what is Power BI and what are the components and what are the versions. These are all things we will see. So now we are entering into the how to install this particular Power BI application. Okay, so once you want to download the application, means there are two kind of way is there. One is if you in your system or laptop is having the Microsoft Store, means directly you can go into with the Microsoft Store and search with the Power BI desktop, then automatically download the application. Same like us, generally you can download the normal applications or games, right? Same like that, normal game and mobile applications you can download. Same procedure to followed by the Power BI tool. Okay, now I show you. Okay, I am going to search the Microsoft Store. Okay, in my system Microsoft Store is available. Okay, so now I am going to the Microsoft Store and search with the Power BI desktop. Okay, once I type a power, like is referred to the Power BI desktop. And I already have these applications. If you don't have, in this place the install button is there. If you want to install, just click that install button, automatically it's downloaded in the same procedure of our common applications. Generally we can download the games or applications, right? So same procedure for this Power BI desktop also. Okay, once you open like install, then we can open. Okay, so otherwise you have another option. You going with your browser, like any browser, Chrome or any browser, search with the Power BI desktop, download, like free download, anything, so download. So this is also having same first preference is going to the Microsoft Store because it's invented from the Microsoft, right? Wait a second. Yeah, first is going to the refers to the Microsoft. So first two website is referred to the Microsoft. If you going down this, the Softonic is there, and up to down another website is also there. Okay, now you going to the Softonic Power BI desktop is having free download. So for Windows, the particular option is there. The free window download is there. Once you click this, and okay, not like this, and it's asking again, and click the download button, is asking some kind of preference. So now in this place the Power BI installer is there. It's also one of the application online website. So these are all procedure is using for just download the desktop application. Okay. Okay. If you want an online service means type Power BI desktop with the online. So this is the Power BI application. You click this, is opening in this. If you want opening the online service, main thing you have a work mail ID like yahoo.com and also mail.com. This kind of format mail ID is needed for this particular login page. So work mail ID only the Power BI will be accepted. Your personal mail ID is not accepted for this online service. Okay. So mostly you are all try with the desktop application. Okay, that is the fit for this. So next one is the installation of Power BI. So already I told this. You're going to the Power BI application and entering in your official website and going to the Microsoft Store and download the application of Power BI desktop. Okay. So next one, installation of Power. Once you installing the Power BI and opening that particular application. Okay. So I will set to the simply set. So what are the main sources of this particular Power BI? First you can see the picture, that is get data. The get data is using for uploading our data in this particular Power BI tool. Then that data will be storing into this particular field. In this field the data names like data values are storing in this place. Then the visualization tools is available. The bar plot, graph plot, pie plot. So this kind of plotting is available in this particular visualization field. Once you have completed in your dashboard, after that you can click this publish button, like the publish option is going to store your dashboard or storing in your template in official Power BI site. Once you log in your work mail ID with this Power BI application, you can publish your template, like publish your dashboard. Okay. So in upcoming session, we will detailedly see about this particular kind of tools. Okay. Okay. So still now we will see about that. We are all see about what is Power BI, what are the components, and what is the versions, how to install. These kind of things repeatedly we see. Okay. Then we are entering into the Python concept. Why the Python is needed for this place means, so in any kind of things like artificial intelligence, data science, or web development, in any kind of fields you are enter, the particular programming language is basic for all. Okay. So already we know about that three kind of programming languages there. One is C++, Java and Python. Okay. So same like that, but data analytics also we have a knowledge of this particular one of the programming language. Then only we can create and entering into the depth concept of this particular topic. So same like that, Power BI also having some kind of Python concepts also included in our Power BI tool. Okay, then only we will learn about the Python in one or two. Yeah, Srinivas, like Python is important way because Python also having some kind of one or two visualization tools is there. So we can compare that. How we can create the visualization in Python and what is the difference in between that Python and also Power BI. So then only we will include Python in this place. So if you know that Power BI means you can understand, right? For example, the condition is there. So some kind of condition is there. We can create and type that similar code. We can find out the differentiate between that one plotting into the another plotting. Okay, then only the Python is important. So we cannot entering into the deeply about this Python. Just basic things we covered. Then we can move on to the Power BI. Okay. So if how many people you know that Python? I don't know. So if you know the Python, just keep and just wait and watch. So don't others will understand and learn this kind of concept. Okay. So first thing, the Python is created by Guido van Rossum, released in 1991. In that particular Python is having code is very readability and shorter codes and also easy to writing, and programmers and expressing the logical concept of the fewer lines of code. It's comparing to C++ and Java, and Python is easy to learn. So the Python is working with an beginners, like final year students, in all kind of what is that? Recently move on the IT people. So all kind of people is easy to understanding the language, that is Python, and syntax is very easy and code is very readable. And Python is having to create the applications of web applications, data science, rapid application development also Python is using, and allows you write the program in a fewer lines of the code. So next, what can Python do? Python, what are all the things Python will be do? So create the web applications, like website is called as a web application, and can be used alongside software to create workflow and connect the database and handle with big data and also big complex mathematics. So this is the difference between the another language to Python. So if you want a particular word, that is hello everyone is a particular word we want to output. So what will we know we will do in these three languages? First you can see the C++. The C++ is having, we can create the integer value and passing the main value and standard values counts, passing the return values, these kind of things we can pass, then only the particular hello everyone will be executed. Same like as Java, we can create the class and mentioning the class name and passing the arguments and mentioning the particular brackets and our needed value. So all kind of things, similarly create a 3 to 4 line for single word. But Python is not like that. Just a single line, print and hello everyone. Like print the keyword with help to execute the particular word. So the hello everyone is our output, like our input, same like as output. So this is the differentiate between C++, Java and also Python. Okay. So next one, applications of Python. What are the applications? Already I told this. So web applications, desktop applications, game development, data science, image processing and database management. So just I will say the example only, we cannot entering in the deep concept of this kind of applications, just you know. So what are the application is there? Okay. So web application is a website. So the Amazon, Flipkart and like Meesho, this kind of applications is available in web applications also available, desktop or mobile applications also available, right? So this is the example for this both. And game development means we can develop the games also. So starting with the mini games into the big amount of games, that is like Free Fire and PUBG. This kind of games also we can develop in Python with the help of the game development process. And data science is using for to create the AI technology in help of the data science. And image processing is using for computer vision concept. So it is mostly used for AI and also data science. So database management is using for SQL and MySQL is mostly using in this place. Not clear. Okay. So now it's clear. Okay, Harini Ramu, like, so we are fully learned about the Power BI only. Okay, so data science. So if we have a time, we can. So I will explain about the data science in next classes. So today is don't have a time. So already time is 6:34, right? So just we will complete this today's session. Then in upcoming sessions we have a time. I will explain the detail about this data science concept. Okay, kindly follow our masterclass in day by day. Then only you can update in your Power BI knowledge. Okay. So first one, web application development. So Django and Flask is the web applications development. This Flask is using for to create the framework of this particular application. And desktop application is using for, okay, wait a second. Presentation is not clear. Okay. Okay, now it's clear. Now it's clear or not? Yeah, exactly, Vidya Raj. Exactly, you will work with this kind of Power BI. If you have follow our channel and follow this particular masterclass, then only you can learn new concepts in day by day. Okay. So today and tomorrow we will fully learn about the Python concept. In our next classes we can move on to the major concept of Power BI. Okay. Okay, fine. So desktop application is using for Kiwi and Tkinter. Tkinter is using for to create this kind of frame like name, user ID, password, this kind of details. If you want, we can create the desktop like using the Tkinter. And game development is using for Pygame package. So Pygame package, that is one of the game development tool. Here the news of this particular artificial intelligence. So the best example for AI is ChatGPT, Gemini. Recently one of the AI technology will be introduced like DeepSeek. That also one of the good AI technology, right? So these are all the examples for artificial intelligence. So next one, how to installing the Python software. So this is also simple, like just going to your browser and type the download Python and install this, like you can get this kind of particular home page. And once you download the latest version, after that you can get the exe file format. Then you can installing that particular Python software. Before installing, you can choose that particular two options like install and also Python path. These two options you can select. After that you can install the software. Okay. So then we can set up the progress. Like once you click the install now, after you getting these messages, set up progress. Once the setup software will be complete, automatically the setup was successful message will be give. Oh, okay, the voice is breaking. Okay, fine. So now is clear or not? I think the internet is not stable. Okay, Shudha Shetty, shall we use collab? Okay, you can use the collab, right? So in Python concepts we can work, you can use the collab and also Jupyter is okay for that. But if we are entering into that Power BI, we can definitely using the Power BI application. How can you using that collab and VS Code and Jupyter? That are all using for just machine learning and data science concept. We can use that particular Jupyter and also you have said like the collab. So now our masterclass is fully discussed about the visualizing the data. Okay. So that particular visualization we can using only Power BI tool. Okay. Our masterclass name also Power BI. The particular Power BI tool, what are all the concept is there, how can we explore that particular tool? That is our major concept. So now we are, once we can complete the Python basics, then we are entering into the Power BI concept. Okay. So once download the Python, after that you can checking your Python software is successfully installed or not. Going your command prompt and type the Python word and you can getting the message like this. So the latest, the particular version name and releasing time, date also mentioning in your system. You have properly installed that Python software. Then after that the IDLE is using for create the code in Python software. So this is the default application of our Python. In this place we can write and type the code and you can make the practice. Okay. So these are all the IDEs. Now one or two people said like that, like VS Code is there, Jupyter is there, Eclipse, PyCharm, and also Sublime, Vim, and Spider. So these are all one of the online editing, like code editing platforms. Okay, if you want interested, if you want to try with an online editors, you can use like try with this. So Colab is also one of the online editor. Okay, still the power voice is breaking, right? Okay, so now it's clear or not? If you still you have breaking my voice, means you can going to, once you quit the live, then again join the live, you can make it properly, or checking with your internet connection. So I think 1 or 2 people will be said like that, voice breaking, right? Okay, fine. So we can, next we are entering into that Power BI concept. Before that, I will give a reminder, one kind of reminder. So we have offering the internship of this particular Power BI Masterclass. So in this particular internship is having some benefits. So what are the benefits of that? So 30 days exclusive recording session is available, and all presentations, my presentations, downloadable sources code, and all resources will be giving to you, and exclusive 7+ project codes with the downloadables also available, and IETE confirmation letter we will give it to you, and 90 days of LMS Course Access, and an assignment plus task. Join VIP community in our special updates, and high valued certificate we will provide it, plus internship certificate we will provide to you. So these are all the benefits of our internship, particular Power BI internship. Okay, so these are all the 8 benefits you have in this internship. So in this particular internship is having one of the amount. So if you want registration with this internship, the registration fees is at 2,999, but our discount fees is a 799. Okay, this registration link already we will post it into the chat box, and pin that particular link in top. So kindly check it, our internship registration link. If anyone interested, kindly join with our internship. You can get all presentations, my live presentations and recording sessions, and also my working notebooks, all kind of sources you can get. This is the limited time offer. In this internship will ended on coming 12th. It's the last date for this internship. So if anyone interested, kindly use the registration link and join with us. This is the internship. So this is the way we can make the payment for this. So once you fill your personal details, and you can choose the domain, and you can give the payment, automatically you can get the internship. So already payment link will be posted into chat box. So kindly check it to the chat box and pin the pin the registration link in top chat. So the registration fees is 799. Sorry, discount fees is 799. So end of the slide, I will show you the contact number and details. If you have any queries, kindly contact that particular number. Like you will give a WhatsApp or call. Okay. So kindly see this. So this is the dashboard. So repeat. Recently I will said this one, right? So this is the way we can plotting. So create the visualization in our data. So this is the example for just one of the dashboard. Okay. This is the example of the dashboard. So I have creating the multiple plots like mapping plot and area plot, bar plot also available, right? Okay, wait a second guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, fine. Okay, yeah, if you once you can receive, you can join with our internship. We will share our presentations plus data sample and example dashboards in all kind of resources. We can share it to you, so you can try with this. Okay, this is the benefits of our internship. Okay, so now I will show this kind of dashboard, right? So this is the way we can create that all kind of data like this. So now for example, I will take the Netflix data and year wise what is the trending movie and what is the trending TV show, top 10 genre wise and ratings wise, what all the movies is there. So these are all the details I will take, give it in this Netflix data. Okay. Okay, fine. So now I will show you that particular dashboard in my lively. I will show you how can we work this particular dashboard. Okay, lively, I will show you that Netflix dashboard. Already I will create this kind of dashboard, so I will show you how it's working. Okay, okay, wait a second. Fine. Okay, so now you see this, the dashboard is visually like, okay, wait a second guys, there is some option is there. Okay, I will changing the security and the maps. Okay, I will remove this and again I will create the map and storing the data values. Okay, 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 it is asking access. Okay, so the attendance is not working now, right? Oh, okay, fine. So no one can give attendance, right? Okay. Okay, fine. So no issue. So no, don't worry about that. So tomorrow again we will send it to the day one attendance. So I don't know what is the error of this particular access. Once I will check that. So we don't have time for this. So now we can finishing our today's concept. Tomorrow we will send it to the day one attendance and also day two attendance. You will give it to your attendance in tomorrow class. Okay. So kindly follow our class, this Power BI class. Then only you can gain your knowledge and also your attendance. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So now I will show the slide in this particular Netflix dashboard, right? So now you see this. So same like that in this type wise, there are two kind of types of movies is there. One is the movie, another one is a TV show. In this particular Netflix application is having two kind of things. One is a movie and also another one is a TV show. So now I will create and visualize with the help of this. Okay, country wise, how many movies released and how many TV shows will be released, and also genre wise, how many genres, like which movie, which kind of genre is there, and also rating wise I will classify the movie and TV shows, and like trending wise movie and TV shows I will classify it, and year wise we can create that. Okay, so now I will select that particular movie button. Okay, so I will select this particular movie, means kindly see this kind of all plottings. Okay, okay, so now first the genre is having, first the documentary is a 299 and stand-up comedy is a 273. Same like the writing is having 2k, like 2000, and the mostly the 2019 is the higher values is there. So now I will choosing the one of the options. So I will click this movie options. This particular movie options I will click that changes will be applied in the all kind of plottings. So the map will be also changed, the genre will be also changed, the ratings, the trending, all plottings will be changed. Why? Because of all movies will like plottings will be interconnected. Okay, so now you see this. Once I select all or deselect that. So now there is no values is there. Why? Because of I am not selecting anyone. I am not selecting movie. I am not selecting the TV show. So now I click the movie button. So the documentary wise, there are movies are 299 documentary movies wise is count is there, and 273 comedy stand-up comedy movies, and 248 drama and international movies, and 186 independent movies and also international movies, and 174 comedy plus drama plus international movies, and 129 children and family movies is there. If I move on to my cursor, automatically the values will be showed in that particular notification message. If I click the TV show means, so do you see that the kids TV is having 159 count. So the crime TV shows is having 92 crime TV shows, and international TV shows are available, and 92 what is that, drama TV is also there, 78 international TV and romantic TVs is there, and 66 comedy TVs is there. So based on my options, the changes will be there. Okay. So now again choosing the movies also. So for example, I will click on that documentaries. Okay, I will click this documentaries particular documentary genre. So the all changes will be applied in all kind of things. So do you see that the Europe only is having the documentary movies is there, like movies and TV shows. That particular Europe continent is only having documentary related movies and TV shows is there. So now you see this, the ratings also is differ, the year wise also is differ. Again I deselect this, all changes will be repeatedly comes like this. If I compressing the years, so I will choose that 2015 to 2020. In between the 5 years, what is the changes is having in my movies and TV shows data. Okay, do you see that? If I reducing the year means the changes will be increased, the bar graph or line graph will be increased or decreased. If I decrease, like increasing the years, so the plottings will be changed, the changes will be applied. Okay, do you see that? That particular TV MA rating only is having high kind of count of ratings, 909. And drama movies is having 177 drama movies will be released in this particular 2 years, 2018 to 2020 is 177 drama movies will be released. So this is the way we can understanding the data. So now I see this. So in 2018 to 20, there is 177 drama movies is there, and 162 documentary movies is there, and 154 stand-up comedy movies, and 132 drama plus independent movies is there, and 127 comedy plus drama movies is there. So based on the year wise, how many count is there, we can classify that. So this is the dashboard. Just I will show how can we create the dashboard. Okay, see in upcoming sessions, step by step, how can we compress the value and to visualizing the plottings and create the plotting templates. These kind of things in upcoming session we will fully discussed. Okay, so this is the thing. In tomorrow and tomorrow after, we will complete that Python concept. After that, we are all entering into that particular our major concept of Power BI. Okay, so do you understand? Okay, so yeah, repeatedly asking about that attendance. So don't worry about that. There is some kind of mistake is I think. So tomorrow we will share it to the day 1 attendance and also day 2 attendance. Okay, so don't worry about that in this attendance. Okay, so today's class we are all completed to the introduction of this particular Power BI and what is Power BI components and versions of the Power BI, and how to what is Python and what are the applications of Python, and how to install the Python software. These kind of things we will cover in this today's session. In upcoming sessions, we will see about the detailed concept of this Power BI application. Okay. Thank you all. We will meet with the tomorrow session. So kindly follow our masterclass and follow our channel. Then only you can get the updates of this particular Power BI masterclass. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so this is the contact details. So I will share it to our contact number and also my working mail ID. So if you have any queries or any doubts is there, kindly contact this number. Like internship related or session related, any kind of queries, kindly contact this number. So give a WhatsApp or call, we can reply to you. Okay, thank you all, thank you so much. No, Sunday is no classes. So today and tomorrow, after that we have at Monday only we have classes. Sunday is not classes, no classes. Yeah, Muthukumaran, don't worry. Oh, we want to take 2 hours. Why are you asking like this? So every day we have 1 hour session in this particular masterclass. Yeah, still Monday to Saturday only we have classes. Sunday is no class. So now you have any doubts or queries is that, kindly asking to the tomorrow or tomorrow session. So we will discuss about that. Yeah, Sunday is no classes. Sudha Shetty, there is Sunday is no classes available. Yeah, Saturday is there. Tomorrow is classes have. Okay, kindly note this number if it is helpful to you, your queries. Okay, thank you all. Yeah, thank you so much to all and thank you for your listening. We will meet with tomorrow's session. Bye. Okay, Prabhu asking. So the Python concept only 1 or 2 days, more than 3 days only. We can complete the Python. So we cannot going into the deep concept of the Python. Just we know about the basics is helpful for our 1 or 2 places in Power BI tool. Then only we can refer the Python. Okay, fine, bye, thank you all, thank you.